Hello folks, good evening. Right now on UHRS, a heat app appeared. The heat app name is Business Descriptions. The goal of this heat app is to judge whether an auto-generated description of a business correctly represent the business or not. Like you can see here that this is the query, this is the business name, and this is the description. So first of all you need to study this whole description, and after that you can after that you can see that it is in US and the primary website is this. If you click on this, then the primary website will open, and you can research by Bing and Google by clicking on these links. First of all you need to read this description minutely, then after that do your research from here, and after that you need to judge whether this description correctly represent this business or not. If it is correctly represent the business, then you just need to click on yes. If it is not correctly represent the business, you can click on no. And if it is in foreign language, like you are working on US market, right? So Hindi is also foreign language for you, so can't tell. Okay, so this is the goal of this heat app. Here you can see here you will see a preview of from Bing Maps that where this business is located. And you can, though it is not loading here, but to load this link into this pen, you just need to install this one, the UHRS extension from Chrome Store. So first of all you need to install UHRS extension, and after that you should install this plugin, install this extension, because in many of the heat apps you don't need to research by clicking on the research link. The preview of the Google or Bing research will appear on the same page if you install this UHRS extension. Otherwise you have to click on the research link and do your research. So if that research overview of the research of the page or the result page from Google or Bing will be shown on the same heat app on the same page, then it will be very beneficial for you. It will be very beneficial for you. It will be more convenient to do this job. So you should install UHRS extension from Google Chrome Store, not Play Store, Chrome Store. So this is the UHRS, this is the business description heat app. Right now it is in on UHRS, but it may disappear because people are working on this heat app, but it doesn't mean that it will permanently disappear from the UHRS. If you qualify this heat app, then I recommend that you should qualify this heat app. Whether it may happen that you don't have the hits to work on this heat app. But the main thing is that if you qualify any of the heat app, then the heat app will reappear, and when it will be reappear, then you just need to start the job. You don't need to qualify, you don't need to training, all this stuff. You don't need to pass the qualification exam, you don't need to take the training. You just start the job. So my recommendation is that just qualify it, this heat app, so that when it will reappear, you can start your job. You don't need to qualify, or you don't need to train yourself. So you can see that I already opened this Urban Perch, and from the primary website link I can see that myurbanperch.com. Here you can't find any, it is in GoDaddy domain, so you can't find any useful information here. But if you click on this fishing charters area, then you can see it is kind of a ACRP or aggregator, something like that. But in that case you need to further research by using the Google link. You can see that TripAdvisor describe that Urban Perch specialty hotel in New Philadelphia. So it is basically a hotel, and from this description you can find that this description is about a hotel, how the beauty is there, how scenic beauty is there. So I think this description correctly portray this business, right, from this Google and Bing research. So I will choose yes and click the submit button. Oh, this is the business description heat app. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section below. I will answer this any doubts regarding this heat app. If you like this button, if you like this heat app, then you can press the like button. You can subscribe my channel for various heat app tutorials and various clarification regarding ClickWorker and UHRS. And if you want to spread the good words, these good videos to your family and friends for extra bucks, extra income, you can share this video to friends, your families and your colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.